So I think sometimes people get overwhelmed with goal setting because they don't know what exactly to pursue. And that's understandable. But I think something that helps me a lot is defining my values, and my values guide me. So I pursue things based on my values, and that is what drives me and helps me decide what I'm actually going to pursue. If I have two opportunities in front of me and I need to make a decision of which one I'm going to follow, I think about my values. Is this going to make me curious? Is this going to make me grow? Is this environmentally friendly? And am I going to be a good environmental steward? Does this promote fellowship? So these are some values that I have and that I think about. And so that is what helps me decide like what I'm going to work on. I think the goal maybe not necessarily be the most important thing, but it's the for me it's about the how, the process, because I find a lot of things interesting. It's all about like the building part, so it doesn't matter what I'm working on. It's more about my values.